Evaluate the following limit. When you try to substitute x equals 0, what you're going to end up having is 0 plus 8 to the 1/3 minus 2 over 0, which gives you 8 to the 1/3 minus 2 over 0, which works out to be 0 over 0. So therefore, this method you cannot do by direct substitution. So what you need to do is you need to use the change of variable. And when we do that, we will let u be equal to this x plus 8 to the 1/3. I will cube both sides so that I get u cubed equals x plus 8. And then I will isolate for the x. U cubed minus 8 is equal to x. We also need to change our parameters then. So if we change our parameters, if we have x approaches 0, we need to change that to the new variable. U is equal to 0 plus 8 to the 1/3. U is going to be equal to 8 to the 1/3. So therefore, u is equal to 2, and that is going to be our new limit to approach, is u is approaching 2. That's what we're going to be doing. Next, now we have to do the change of variable. So starting with our limit, the limit as u approaches 2, all of this up here is now going to become u minus 2. And in the denominator, we're going to use x equals u cubed minus 8. And that's what's going to go in here. U cubed minus 8. Now the next step is we need to take this difference of cubes and we need to factor it. Once we factor it, we will still have the limit as u approaches 2, u minus 2. And to factor this difference of cubes, the brackets, in the first brackets, we will have the binomial u minus 2. And then in the denominator, you'll have u squared plus 4 plus one of these and one of these, 2u. Once we have this, we can see that this and this reduce to 1. And you'll have a 1 in the numerator. And now what we can do is we can apply the limit, which is u equal to 2. And we can substitute that. Once we substitute that, we don't have to write this limit anymore. It will just be 1 over 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 4, which is equal to 1 over 12. That is our final answer. We are finished with the question, and that's it.
That was easy.